Okay. Hi, Jojo.
Hello.
Oh, welcome
Good
back
day.
here.
Thank you.
And are you ready for our Philippinism lesson again today?
Yes.
Okay. First, I want to give you the words, and then I want you to write your English translation or how you will say these words in English. Okay? Ready? Okay, let's start. Mauna na ako ha. Let's say you are in a group and then you need to go home early or you need to go home before them. So, sabihin mo, mauna na ako ha. So, what is that in English? Next, magpahinga ka. Magpahinga ka. Let's say you want to tell your friend to do this. Magpahinga ka. Next, pakiulit mo nga, isusulat ko. Let's say someone dictated something, told you something, or let's say some information, but you were not able to get it. So, sabi mo, pakiulit mo nga, isusulat ko. Alright, next. Ako na ang gagawa ng project mo. Let's say a sister of yours, or a brother of yours, or a friend of yours is having problems doing his project. So, you said, ako na ang gagawa ng project mo. Next. Ha? Hindi ko narinig. Let's say someone said something and hindi mo narinig. Sabihin mo, ha? Hindi ko narinig. Okay? All right, let's answer. Now, I ask you the question again. Oh no, I will read the Tagalog statement again and then you tell me your answer, okay? All right. Mauna na ako ah.
I'm gonna go first.
I'm gonna go first. Okay.
Yes.
I'm gonna go first. Okay. Nice try. But first, I will tell you the usual answers of Filipinos. Okay? Usual answers that Filipinos would say. Okay? Mauna na ako ha. Usually, people will say, I'll go ahead. But you said,
I'm gonna go first.
I'm gonna go first. Okay. What is the better way? The better way to say it in English, okay, is I'll leave now. Okay. I leave
I'm gonna
now.
leave.
I'm gonna leave now. Okay, it's okay. All right. You
Okay.
said I'm gonna go first because you said mauna na ako, mauna. Right? Mauna.
Yes.
Pero the real meaning is aalis ako. Aalis na ako. So, I leave now. Okay? So this is what I'm saying. Tagalog words really do not have a direct translation in English. Pero yung thought nun, same.
Okay.
I'll leave now.
Just like a contrast.
Yes.
Different things.
Different words. But, kung iisipin mo, pareho lang sila ng meaning. Okay, this is just how English speakers will say it naturally. Okay, they will not say, I will go first. Okay? No, they will say, I'll leave now. Okay, get it?
I get it.
Okay. Okay, next. Magpahinga ka.
Get some rest.
Get some rest.
I don't know.
Oh, nice. Okay. Again, this is the usual thing that a Filipino will say in English. Take a rest.
Okay.
Okay, take a rest. Usually that's a Filipino way to say it. Take a rest. But the right way is get some rest. You're right.
Oh my God. Just lucky one.
Yes, lucky. Okay, get some rest or have a rest. Okay, that's an everyday English statement. Okay? All right, next. Pakiulit mo nga, isusulat ko.
Kindly repeat. I'm gonna write first.
Oh, okay.
Hello.
Kindly repeat. I will write again.
I'm gonna write first.
I'm gonna write first.
Yes.
You like the word first. Why do you like the word first? Here, first. Here, first again. Why did you put first?
That's what I thought in my mind.
That's what you thought in your mind. Okay. Kasi, in Tagalog, susulat again, isusulat ko muna. Isusulat ko ngayon. So, first.
Yes.
Or susulat ko ngayon. That's why it's first, right? Okay. Usual English translation of Filipinos is, this is very common. Can you repeat that again?
Can you repeat that again?
Repeat that again is wrong. Okay? Repeat na nga, again pa. So, wrong. Okay?
So most common like
Mm-mm.
the Filipinos saying like that.
Yes. So, if
Okay.
you're here, repeat it again, wrong. It's wrong. Okay? Kasi dalawa siya. Repeat na, again pa. So, you can you say it again? So, what did you say? What's your answer?
Kindly repeat.
Kindly repeat? Kindly repeat? What?
Kindly.
Kindly repeat. That's
Yes.
it. Finished. Okay. Kindly repeat.
I'm gonna write first.
I'm gonna write
There's,
first. Okay. So this one, I'm gonna write first is also Philippinism. Kasi nga
Okay.
may first nga all the time. So you don't have to say that. You just have to say, I'll write it down. Okay? So can you say it again? Say it again because sinabi niya. So can you say it again? I'll write it down.
Okay.
Okay? Yung first, translation siya from a Tagalog.
There's a
Sulat ko.
word, isusulat ko. So, meaning, there's a verse that I'm gonna write.
Yes. Sulat ko muna. Okay, susulat
Yes.
ko ngayon. Sulat ko ngayon, kaya my first. Okay, so try not to say that word again if you're going to say it in English. Just say it
Okay.
directly. I'll leave now or I'll write it down. Okay? Okay, next. Ako na ang gagawa ng project mo.
I don't know. I'm going to create your project.
Create. Okay. You said, I'm
I don't
going
know.
to create your project. Why create?
Just the word gagawa. Like that.
Gagawa. Okay.
Just I'm going to create your project. Just the word.
Okay. Okay. Gagawa for you is create. Tama.
Yes.
Tama naman, di ba? Gagawa ako, yung gagawa, maraming meaning. Maraming English translation pala.
Okay.
Right? Gagawa is to create. Gagawa is to build.
Yes.
Di
Like
ba?
that.
Build. Make something. To make something.
Something new.
Something new gagawa, di ba? Pero dito, ako na ang gagawa ng project mo. Usual English translation for Filipinos is, I'll be the one to do your project. Dito,
Okay.
gagawa is to do. Pero ang Filipinism dito, I'll be the one. Usually, kasi ako na ang gagawa, I'll be the one. It's
Yes.
not correct. Okay? The usual everyday English is, I'll do your project.
Simple as.
Simple, right? What's your answer?
No. I'm going to create your project. Just
I'm
like
going
that.
to create. Okay, again, very complicated word, right? I'm going to create your project. Create is, usually we use that if we are going to make something new.
Okay.
Okay, yung word na create, to make something new. I will create a masterpiece. Let's say you're going to create a special dish.
Okay.
So gagawa is the simplest English is do.
I'll do your project.
I'll do something.
Something.
Okay, got it?
Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
All right, next. Ha? Hindi ko narinig.
Just common like, what? I
Mhm.
can't hear you.
What? I can't hear you.
Just
Okay.
like that. Something. When someone calling.
Mhm.
That,
Yes, okay. When someone calling and then you
and then
will
I
say,
don't understand.
Mhm.
What? Like, ha? Hindi ako Tagalog word.
Ha?
Ha? Ano? Like that.
Yes.
I don't
ha?
know. Like,
Ano?
ha? Like
Yes, right. So you said
Like that.
what? What? Okay. All right. Usual Filipinos will say, come again? Do you use that? Do you use that word, come again?
Not like that. Just what?
What? Just what?
Just only what?
Okay. You say, some Filipinos will say, come again? I did not hear.
Yes. Did not hear.
I did not hear because narinig. Diba? So sa'yo, what?
I can't hear you.
I can't hear you.
I can't hear. Or like that.
I can't hear. I can't hear. Hindi ko narinig. I can't hear. I did not hear. Or hindi ko
Diba?
narinig. I can't hear. Pwede rin. Hindi ko marinig. Yan. Hindi ko marinig in Tagalog. I
Yes.
can't hear. Hindi kita marinig. Okay. But this one is hindi ko narinig. So that means finished.
Finished. Already done.
It's already done. Okay, so usual everyday English is, sorry?
Oh,
Oh,
excuse me.
excuse me? Yeah, okay. Can you say that again? You say that.
Mm,
Okay. Can you say that again? Excuse me? Sorry? I did not hear you. You can say, I did not hear you.
or pardon?
Pardon?
Yeah,
Yes,
I don't
yes,
know
yes,
the
yes,
answer,
yes, right. Pardon. But what is okay? The problem with what is it's not a little it's not polite.
Pardon.
Uh, excuse me.
Excuse me.
Or sorry. You can say that. Okay. If you say what, it seems like a little
Arrogant.
straightforward, arrogant. Yes.
Okay.
Right. So maybe if you're talking to a friend, it's okay.
Just like an equal.
Yes, yes, right. So if we're just,
Okay.
friends and we're talking, you can say, what? You can say that. But if you're talking to someone a little, higher or older than you, it's better if you say, excuse me,
Just
or pardon me.
polite.
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 Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Excuse me, or pardon me, or sorry.
Pardon me, sorry.
Okay. All right. I did not hear. Again, hindi ko narinig is finished. So, I did not hear. I cannot hear is now present is hindi ko marinig.
Hindi ko marinig.
Present tense.
Present tense.
Hindi ko marinig. Hindi ko marinig yung TV because it's now. Pero if you say, hindi ko narinig, past tense, so I did not hear. Okay? Get it?
Okay, get it.
Okay, get it. All right, let's go to the next. Okay, let's go to the next set. Sandali lang po, may tinatapos lang ako. Someone told you, paikuha mo nga yung tuwalya, paikuha mo nga to. Then sabi mo, sandali lang po, may tinatapos lang ako. Alright, next. Uwi na ako, gabi na eh. Let's say you are in a gathering, you're in a party, and you want to go home. So, uwi na ako, gabi na eh.
Done.
Okay? Alright, one more. Kain na tayo. Let's say you prepared lunch for people in your house and then you want them to eat. So, kain na tayo.
Done.
Done. Oh, very, very easy. Okay. Susunduin kita mamayang alas 7 ng gabi. Let's say you say this to your girlfriend. Susunduin kita mamayang alas 7 ng gabi.
Done.
Okay? Last one. Narating ang lola ko sa susunod na linggo. Maybe your grandma from another place will visit your place. And sasabihin mo, darating lola ko sa susunod na linggo. Sandali lang po. May tinatapos lang ako.
Hold on. I want to finish this first.
May first na naman.
just like that.
Okay. I heard that
Because
word
of
first
may
again.
tinatapos. Yes.
Diba?
For me.
Always, there's the word, I think it's also a common thing for Filipinos, yung first.
Common for me.
Common for you. Okay,
I don't
okay.
know.
Sandali lang po. Again, what's that?
Hold on.
Hold on. Wow. Good.
I don't know.
Okay lang. Hold on. Then?
Because I want to first I think that wait a minute like that.
Wait a minute. Okay.
Hold
But the
on a
second one? What's your next sentence?
I want to finish this first.
Yun. I want to finish this first. Yan, may first na naman. Okay, this is the common Tagalog translation. For a while. Do you use that? For a while?
Wait for a while like that.
Yeah, yes. For a while. I'm finishing something. Or may tinatapos lang ako. I'm finishing something. Okay, this is a common Filipino translation. Yung for a while, actually, it's not a very common English phrase. Because if you say for a while, what's that? What do you mean? 1 hour, 2 hours, 1 second, 1 minute?
Just in general, what times?
Right. So English speakers will not say it will not say this very common. It's a not very common statement yung for a while. Okay, so instead, you say, hold on, please.
Oh.
I don't know. Tama ka?
There's no please.
There's no please. It's okay. May po kasi. Kaya nilagyan natin ng please, diba? Hold on, but you used it, right? Hold on. Yes. Very good. Very good. Or, some of them will say, just a sec. Just a second.
Okay.
Just a sec.
Or just like hold on tight?
So, hold on tight. Stay put. If you say hold on tight,
Okay.
that means you stay there. Sandali lang.
Okay,
Okay?
stay put like
Stay
that.
put like that. So hold on tight. That means you just stay there. I'll do it. Something. Okay? So hold on
Okay.
please is very common like what he said. Very good. I'm doing something.
Hmm.
There. Yung first mo talaga.
Always first.
Always
First and
first.
foremost.
Yes, yes. So again, I will consider that as also Philippinism. Kasi yung first. Yung
Because of
lang.
the lang ako.
Lang
That,
ako. 'Di ba? So,
Okay.
tatapusin ko muna, tapusin ko lang first.
Okay.
Right? I'll do this first. Tatapusin ko lang to. Right? So, again, I think first is Philippinism too. Okay?
Just
Alright.
like tinatapos.
Tinatapos.
Doing like that.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, get it? So, this, very easy. I'm doing something. I'm just doing something. Okay? Hold on. I'm doing something. Okay? Then, you do it. Alright? Okay. Next. Uwi na ako. Gabi na eh.
I'm going home. It's already at night. I don't know what to do.
Okay.
Just
I'm
not
going
sleeping.
home. It's already... what's that?
I'm going home. It's already at night.
It's already at night, you said. It's already at night is a
I don't
little wrong grammar.
Wrong
Okay?
grammar.
Okay. But the usual Filipino will say, I'm going to go home already.
Mm.
Usually, Filipinos will use already at the end of a sentence. Kasi already at the end of the sentence means na.
Just like done.
Na. No,
No.
na. For example, I'm going to go home na. Get it?
Yeah, just like that. I just
Na.
met someone.
Kaya, usual sa Pilipino ang magsabi ng already sa dulo. But in English, actually, we put the already in the middle of the sentence. Like you. What's your sentence?
Already at night.
It's already at night. At night is wrong. But already is right because it's in the middle of your sentence. It's better if you say, it's already nighttime.
Okay. Not night.
It's already nighttime, gabi na. It's already nighttime or it's already late.
Because like gabi na like
Uh,
it's already at night.
it's already at night? No, at night is wrong. If you say,
Okay.
kailan? At night. Diba? Pero yung
Okay.
sinasabi mo ngayon, ngayon, gabi na ngayon. So, it's nighttime now.
Nighttime now. Oh, okay.
Okay? So, here, it's already nighttime. Or, it's already late.
Nighttime.
Okay? But again, usually Filipinos will say already at the end because again the translation is na. Gabi na eh.
Gabi na.
Gabi na. Hope it's already I'm going home going to go home already. Gabi na or it's late na. It's late already. Okay? Okay, this is the
Late.
usual. I'm going home now.
There's no gabi
Okay.
na.
I'm going home now. Oh, I did not write the next. I'm going home now. It's late.
Okay.
Can say it's late. Okay? Because if you say it's late, usually what it means is gabi na.
Just a common one.
Yes. Since you all know that it's already nighttime. So, English speakers will definitely say it's late.
Or too late.
It's too late.
Yes.
Okay, you don't have to say it's nighttime. Oo nga, gabi na kasi. So, ano kung gabi na? It's late meaning pwedeng alas 12 na, alas 11 na, and it's late for you. Get it? Okay? Alright,
Yeah.
so, I'm going home now. What did you say?
I'm going home.
Yes!
It's already at night. I mean, because
I'm-
yes.
It's already not night at
just
night.
like adding something.
Yes. So, I'm going home now is the best. Uuwi na ako. I'm going home now. It's late. Okay, that's the answer.
So, there's a near answer.
Okay. At night is wrong, okay?
Okay.
It's okay. It's not at night, but it's nighttime. Okay? All right, next. Kain na tayo.
Let's eat.
Let's eat.
Ah.
Yes. Okay, very good. But usually Filipinos will say again, let's eat already. Kasi
Mindful
may
use
na.
of- Yes, that's word na in the Tagalog.
Right? Let's eat already. Kain na. Kain na tayo. Let's eat already. That is a Filipino English. Okay, let's eat already. Gutom na ako. Or I'm hungry. Let's eat already. Kain na.
Uh,
Okay? But you said, let's eat. Yes. Let's eat now or let's eat. Yes. Very good. Very good. Very good. Let's eat is enough.
In already, just common for me like that.
Mm-mm.
Just say, I'm already here. I'm here like that.
Yes. Very good. But see, your sentence is, I'm already here.
But
Is correct.
okay.
Because you said, I'm already here. Already is in the middle of the sentence. Usually, Filipinos will say, I'm here already.
Very bad if we put at the end.
End. Yes.
So in the middle only.
In the middle.
Oh my God.
I'm here already is a direct translation of nandito, I'm here na.
Okay.
I'm here na. Wrong, 'di ba? So in English, I'm already here. You're correct. Yes.
Already.
I'm already here. Yes. Okay. I'm already finished. I'm already done. You say it, okay? Not already at the end. Okay?
I'm done already like that.
See, wrong. Wrong. Okay? All right, next.
Okay.
Last 3. Susunduin kita mamayang alas 7 ng gabi.
Maybe I'm wrong here.
Mm.
I will get you later at 7.
I will get you.
I don't
again,
know
again,
what to
again.
think.
Again. I will get you.
I will get you later at 7 p.m.
Oh,
I
okay,
don't know.
okay. I will get you. Itagalog, kukunin kita. Get, di ba? Kukunin.
Yes, I don't know how. what is
Susunduin.
the-
You don't know
like that.
susunduin?
I don't know what.
Okay. Get you is kukunin.
Okay.
Diba? Kukunin. But, usually, Filipinos will say, I'll fetch you later at 7 p.m.
Oh, fetch.
Fetch.
Just like. Fetching.
Like fetching, like fetch the dog. The dog will fetch, right? Usually, fetch is almost correct. Yes, for susunduin. But this has usually Americans or English speakers will not use fetch because this is together or related to animals.
It's just like that. Fetch.
Fetch. Oh, go fetch. You throw a stick and then the dog will fetch, right? So it's not a common English phrase. So English speakers will usually say, "I'll pick you up."
Okay.
Yes.
Pig is common.
Yes,
already.
pick up. I'll pick you up at 7 p.m. Okay, not get. Get is kuhanin.
I'm not thinking like that.
Ah,
I
you
know.
don't-
I
you
know
don't pick
already.
up?
I know. Yes, I know.
Right. So,
Yes.
so if, for example, you're going somewhere and let's say somewhat your friend has a car and they will say, "Oh, I'll pick you up at 7."
Yeah.
Ibig sabihin, susunduin kita. Okay, pick up. So pick up, you don't use it.
I'm used already.
Okay. Okay. So
Because-
pick up ha.
I don't know what the words susunday because
Yeah.
get
Yeah. So
big words don't.
yes, pick up is susunduin. Okay, not fetch. Okay, wrong. Fetch is wrong. It's Filipinism. Okay, next. Darating ang lola ko sa susunod na linggo. Yan.
My grandma will come here in the next 2 weeks.
In the next 2 weeks. Ooh, okay,
Just
okay.
Because the susunod na linggo.
Yeah, susunod na
So
linggo.
first, the second, 2 weeks.
Yes. My grandma, my grandma.
My grandma will come here in the next 2 weeks.
Okay.
I don't know.
I
if
like
that's
it.
that.
I like it. Okay. It's almost correct. But usually Filipinos will say,
Yes.
"My grandma will arrive here next week."
There's a double next.
Yes. Kasi nga susunod. Usually Filipinos will use that sa next week. O kaya sa next Monday. Magkaka-exam kami sa next week. Next. This is Filipinism, okay?
Common years of the Filipino.
Next.
Saying like that.
Next.
Next.
Okay. All right. The everyday English is my grandma will be here, okay, the week after next. Okay? So week after next is also the same as what you said. in 2 weeks is correct.
Yes,
Okay,
double.
yes.
Yeah, I like that.
Yes.
When you
For
say
you,
next, just like
in 2 weeks, diba?
2 weeks.
Yes, you're right. In 2 weeks is okay, very good. Or another new phrase is week after next.
Week after next.
Yes. Kasi next week is, you will say next week, di ba? And then, yung susunod na linggo is week after next.
Very
Di ba?
Nakakalito.
Yes, nakakalito. But it's
Week
a
after next.
proper phrase. The week
Mm.
after next. So, for example, in 2 weeks, you will have an exam, for example. Then,
Yes.
you can also say, week after next, yung exam namin. So, week after next week, ang ibig sabihin nun.
Okay. Week
Okay,
after
kaya
next
week after next. You don't just, you will not just say week again here at the end.
Or let's
So,
say week after next week.
yes, but
It's possible.
that's the meaning. Pero hindi yung sasabihin ng English speaker. Hindi na siya sasabihin niya ng week after next week. Sasabihin lang niya week after next. Understood
Close.
na yun. Get it? Okay?
But some don't understand like that. Week after next, what does it mean like
Yes. So that's why
Because
I'm
there's
teaching.
no week.
Yes. Pero redundant na kasi. Ibig sabihin, ang dami ng week.
Yes.
So they tried to shorten it. An English speaker, a native speaker will say, week after next. Alam na nila yon.
Common day already.
Common na sa kanila yon. So I want it to be common to us Filipinos too. Okay? Week after next is the best statement. But in 2 weeks is also good.
I don't know.
Yes,
Because
I like it.
Susunod na linggo.
Yes.
But in the equals, like,
Tama.
next 2 weeks.
Yes, tama pa rin. Okay? But this one, I'm teaching you now, so you can use it too. Okay?
So, sa
Week
native,
after next.
Week after next.
Okay? You said, my grandma will come here is also correct.
Okay.
Kasi darating dito, so come.
Example, we have English class week after next week.
Yes. Very good. So, will come here is correct. Will be here is also correct. Ang important, yung will.
Will.
Kasi future. Okay? So, you can say, will be here or will come here, both correct.
Are both just like my grandma would be here.
Would be here also formal.
Formal.
Would be here is also okay. Right? But the usual simple.
But saying in the future, like
Yes. Simple is will. Okay?
okay.
Okay. So you had a few correct sentences.
Ah.
Yeah, very good. Pero gets mo na, no?
Some
Yes.
if in my mind continuously like that.
Yes. Very good. I see that. I always see that every time we have yung lesson natin na
But I know
comprehension.
that when do I put the already because I always like put at the end like that.
Yes.
Sometimes when I say something, I'm just putting the sentence at the back or at the end.
At the end, wrong. So already
So, in the
is in the middle. Yes. It's always in the middle. Huwag siyang sa dulo kasi dulo, ending means na. So it's
Okay.
a Filipino thing, right? But in English, the real English already is in the middle of the sentence. Okay? So
Okay.
I already finished writing, for example. You will not say I finished writing already. No.
Okay.
Okay, I already finished eating. Hindi, I finished eating I'm finished eating already.
Finish.
Oo.
Finish na already.
Oo, finish na already pa. 'Di ba? Tama. Pero kung tama siya, middle siya. I already finished eating.
See.
Okay, gitna.
Gitna
Middle.
siya.
Okay? Get it?
Okay, got it.
Very good. Okay, let's have more. Next time, we will have Philippinism again. We will have our sentence writing again and mispronounced words again next time. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Very good.
Thank you.
Thank you.